This 2026 Highland Ridge Open Range 3x393 TBR is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Highland Ridge is 44 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 10, microwave, refrigerator, oven, water heater, TV antenna, slide-out, awning, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Highland Ridge Open Range 3x393 TBR is 15,573 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.